I'm out with McChickenStripper today, and the sun is in a horrible position right into my face. Of course, I forgot my earplugs. The wind is like battering my ears.
It's so quick, it can destroy your entire face.
Not see anything. That is my fault for going out at this time of the day. It was just the sun getting in my eyes, you know? Go for it.
Wait for me, I got little legs.
Got a head turner in front of me and I'm just on this ugly ass thing. Oh well. Ooh.
Nice.
Oh, that's a nice corner. Okay. Oh, look at that.
Brother.
Oh. Woo. Oh. Oh. That's one way to change gear. Everything alright with your with you changing gears with your hand?
Come on.
Oh.
You don't have like a 10 mil.
No, I had nothing on me. Have a quick check.
Oh my god. Stop fucking lying.
I did actually find some tools. Cool. That's alright. So I had a bit of a problem with the quick shifter there. It's undone itself basically. Oh, what a view. Oh, until I get blinded. We were just talking about kind of etiquette when you're a leader as well. Stuff like flashing your brake lights, pointing out stuff. It just helps everyone else out. Tell you what, that track day has let me just like trust my brakes. I know what they're capable of, and I know what they're not capable of. Woo! I went too far. That was a Gixxer with GP shift, so I've never actually really properly ridden a sport bike before. I've just sat on one. Feet were definitely not in the right position to, like, it was too cramped up for basically for me to shift properly. But it's weird, my brain did actually switch, like it knew it was what it was doing pretty quickly, just going up and down the road. Oh.
Okay.
Just saw a flame. Moo.